class detection today using Navisworks Manage. I have created a very small project just for this tutorial. Make sure all your Revit models, all disciplines must be exported to Navisworks. Save. Mechanical, also export to Navisworks. Save. And switch back. Firefighting. Then Navisworks, switch back. Electrical. We have created the NWS file for all the Revit models. We are now ready to perform and conduct our class detection. So new, append, okay, then open. Let's conduct our first class detection, add test, ducting or HVAC versus the firefighting. So select here. We will explain this later on. Right now, we will use standard. So let's select mechanical, and the other one is fire. Your tolerance will be 10 millimeter. In my practice, in my previous projects, interior must have a 10 millimeter tolerance, and outside MEP systems like the underground must be 100 millimeter. So let's use 10 and then run test. So Navis have shown 3 clashes between the duct and the fire. So this one. So as you can see, if you select clash 1, it shows here on this items shown, item 1 and item 2, that there is a clash between the rectangular elbow and the pipe type and the pipe. And then clash 2, this is between the fire and then also the rectangular duct, this one, the connector. And then clash 3 is between the fire pipe again and the diffuser. So actually we can group this, new group, because we can consider this as one clash. If we resolve and move the pipes, then definitely all these 3 clashes will be resolved. So duct versus fire pipe clash. Okay. Now we want to, if you discuss this with the MEP team, definitely they would want to move the fire pipes, because it's really very hard to move the ducting because it's a big elements. So select the pipe, right click and switch back. And you can see here, you can see that Navis will highlight the affected elements. So here, let's go to ceiling fire and then select the pipe. Use the arrow keys to move. Again, definitely guys, discuss the proposed solution with the design manager, MEP team and the design manager. The solution must be approved before you proceed with the shop drawings. And view this on 3D to make sure that we have avoided the clash. Okay, and then we need to create another NWC for this, but before we do that, we need to unload this from Navisworks because it is still loaded on Navis. What we can do here is, instead of unloading the NWC, save this as NWF file. Save as, So this is NWF. Let's just rename this as 9 Navis, then save. And then perform new, okay? And then on your Revit, perform and export these two Navis NWC file, save, replace, and switch back again. So we need to append again. Select the NWF file containing all the disciplines. And now this is showing that the clash has been resolved. So let's perform another test. Let's perform and conduct another clash detection between electrical versus firefighting. And then so let's select here electrical and fire 10 millimeter run test. Again, now it will show that there is a clash between the fire pipe and this plain recessed lighting fixtures. Again, by mere analysis, you cannot resolve this by moving the lighting because it will affect the lighting effect on the room. So again, whatever is the element that you want to move, perform the switch back there. So we want to resolve the pipe, perform the switch back on here, switch back, and then now this will show you that pipe again that we need to move. Go to fire ceiling. Yes. Just make sure the architectural and the lighting Revit model is linked so you can see when you move the piping that it will not touch the lighting again. Select the pipe. Use the arrow keys to move. Okay. View it in 3D to make sure that it has avoided the lighting fixtures. Again, guys, this is just an example. The design manager will be the one to decide the rerouting of the pipe. Okay. So what I want to show you is how to use Navisworks in clash detection and how to use the switchback command. So again, you need to create another NWC file for this fire model. But before you do that, again, go back to Navis. This one, save this. Save. Same file. Place. New. And then go back to Navis. Create another NWC file. Save. Replace. Switch back again. And then append the Navis NWF format. Now, as you can see, both pipe has been moved to avoid the clash. But here, it says 3 clashes and 1 clash. But we have resolved everything already. So we need to update this all. So Navis will report that the clashes has been resolved. Update all. Now the classes will be in the new column is 0 and resolved is 3 and 1. So meaning your model is ready for shop drawing because it is 0 clash. Thank you guys. Please watch out on the next Navis video. I'll be discussing version check, duplicate check, clearance check, appearance profiler, and I have created a timeliner simulation. So as much as we can, we will learn more about the use of Navisworks. Thank you guys.